everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Learning Center, the place where learning English feels easy, friendly, and enjoyable. We're so happy you're here with us today. My name is Jessica.
Hello, Jessica, and a big warm hello to all our wonderful listeners around the world. It's great to be back again. I always enjoy spending time here with you and our learners. How are you feeling today, Jessica?
I'm feeling great, Mike. Thank you for asking. I'm in a very good mood today because it's Monday.
Monday? Jessica, I have to say something. Most people don't really like Mondays. They feel tired after the weekend and don't want to go back to work or school.
That's true, Mike. A lot of people feel that way, but I think Monday is special.
Special? Why do you think Monday is special?
Because Monday gives us a great reason to talk. We can talk about what we did on the weekend.
Ah, now I understand. We can share stories from Saturday and Sunday. And you know what? I really love stories.
Yes, I know you do. And stories are very useful for learning English.
That's right. When we tell stories, we practice verbs, sentences, and pronunciation.
Exactly. And that brings us to today's topic. Today, we're going to help our listeners answer a very common and very important question.
A question that people hear almost every Monday.
Yes, the question is, how was your weekend?
Oh yes, that question is everywhere. My coworkers ask me that question every Monday morning. They say, "Hey Mike, how was your weekend?"
And it's a great way to start a conversation.
It really is, but sometimes answering that question in English can be difficult.
Yes, especially for English learners.
Because when we talk about the weekend, we need to talk about the past.
Exactly. We need to talk about things that already finished, things we did yesterday or 2 days ago.
And that means we need to use past tense verbs.
That's right. So today, we're going to tell you about our weekends and help you understand how to use past tense verbs correctly.
That sounds perfect. I'm ready. My weekend was interesting and I'm excited to talk about it.
I can't wait to hear your story. But before we start, we have a small favor to ask our listeners.
Yes, friends, if you are enjoying this podcast and learning something new, please subscribe to Mr. English Learning Center.
Subscribing really helps us continue making free English lessons for you.
And please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up.
That helps other English learners find our videos more easily.
And one more thing, share this episode with your friends.
Learning English is always better when you learn together.
Thank you so much, everyone.
All right, Mike, are you ready to talk about the past?
I'm ready, Jessica.
Great. Let's start with a simple question. Mike, how was your weekend?
My weekend was very busy, Jessica. I was active all weekend. I didn't stop.
Wow, that sounds tiring. What did you do?
Well, on Saturday morning, I went to the park.
The park? That sounds nice.
Yes, it was very nice. The weather was beautiful. It was sunny and warm.
I love sunny weather. What did you do at the park?
First, I walked for 1 hour.
You walked for 1 hour. That's great exercise.
Yes, I like walking. After that, I played tennis with my brother.
You played tennis. Wow, you are very active.
I try to be active. I like tennis, but I'm not very good at it.
That's okay. You don't have to be perfect. Playing sports is about having fun.
Exactly. I had fun. I walked and I played tennis.
Listeners, did you hear that? Mike said walked and played.
Yes, both words end with a special sound.
This is very important. When we talk about many past actions in English, we add ed to the verb.
These are called regular verbs.
Correct. Walk becomes walked. Play becomes played.
Very easy, right?
Yes, very easy. Just add ed. Mike, what about the verb watch, like watch TV?
Good question. Watch becomes watched.
Exactly.
On Saturday night, I watched a movie.
Perfect sentence. What movie did you watch?
I watched a comedy movie.
A comedy. That's fun.
Yes, it was very funny. I laughed a lot.
Laughed. That's another regular verb.
Right. Laugh becomes laughed.
So let's review. You walked, you played, you watched, and you laughed.
Yes, my Saturday was great.
That sounds like a wonderful Saturday, but now it's my turn. Mike, how was your weekend?
My weekend was relaxing. I stayed at home most of the time.
Stayed. Good job. Stay plus ed.
Yes, I stayed home because I needed to clean my house.
Oh no, cleaning is not very fun.
I agree, cleaning can be boring.
What did you clean?
I cleaned the kitchen and washed my clothes.
Cleaned and washed. Excellent regular verbs.
Yes, I was busy too.
What did you do after cleaning?
After that, I cooked a big dinner for my family.
Cooked. That sounds nice. What did you cook?
I cooked pasta with a special tomato sauce.
That sounds delicious. Now I'm hungry.
Everyone liked it.
Liked. Another regular verb.
Yes, so we have cleaned, washed, cooked, and liked.
Exactly. These verbs follow the rule. But Jessica, English is not always so simple. That's true. English has some tricky parts.
For example, on Sunday, I did not go to the beach.
Ah, be careful. We don't say goed
I know, but why not?
because go is a rebel. It's an irregular verb.
A rebel verb. I like that.
The past of go is went.
Went. That's very different.
Yes, so on Sunday I went to a restaurant.
Perfect. And what did you eat?
I ate a big burger.
Ate, not eated.
Right, eat is also irregular.
What did you do after that?
I saw a friend.
Saw, the past of see.
Yes, I saw my friend Tom.
I know Tom. He's funny.
He is. We had coffee together.
Had, the past of have.
These irregular verbs are very important.
Yes, we use them all the time.
Go becomes went. Eat becomes ate. See becomes saw. Have becomes had.
Now let's talk about questions.
Yes, when we ask about the past, we use a helper word.
The helper word is did.
Exactly. What did you do?
Did helps us ask questions.
Where did you go? Not where did you went.
And what did you eat?
After did, we always use the base form of the verb.
This makes English much easier.
Mike, you told me a funny story from your weekend.
Oh, yes. When I was playing tennis, I fell.
Oh no, fell is the past of fall.
Yes, I fell on the grass.
Were you okay?
Yes, but my white t-shirt turned green.
Oh no.
I looked like a green monster.
Did you clean it?
I washed it, but it's still green.
Now it's your tennis shirt.
Exactly.
Friends, now it's your turn. Please answer this question in the comments. What did you do this weekend?
Did you stay home?
Did you go to the park?
Did you watch a movie?
Try to write 1 or 2 sentences.
Use the past tense verbs.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Practice makes progress.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope you feel more confident speaking English.
Have a wonderful week.
And good luck with your English learning.
Bye-bye.
Bye for now.